Tina. Today let's open our new robot vacuum cleaner. So we got this robot vacuum cleaner for housewarming party gift from my mother-in-law. My husband usually clean the house and he really wanted to have this because this one not just to vacuum clean but it also do mopping, and they said this one even wash the mop towel by itself. So this was my husband's dream vacuum cleaner. So this one, first part we put clean water, then it will clean itself, the mopping towel, and then the other one, the back, it will be the dirty one, dirty water after you washed. Let's open this one. So this part, it will move itself and clean it, and then it has a mopping towel here. So we can open it like that. It says dirty water. That's why it's not transparent. Are we done? Okay, this is our new robot vacuum cleaner. Bye!